Hello and welcome to my video about proving the product and quotient rule. I will first prove the product rule. Say there are two functions f of x and g of x that are multiplied together and that they equal a new function phi of x. Then, deriving from first principles, we get the expression in the blue box. We want to show that this is equal to the expression in the green box, which is the product rule. To help, we expand the expression in the green box to get the expression in the pink box. Clearly, something has been added and then subtracted to get from the blue to the pink box. If we find this term, we will have proved the product rule. Can you see what the term is? This was the term that was added and then subtracted to the expression in the blue box. You might wonder how whoever invented the rule knew what term this is. The reason the term is added and then subtracted is to get the expression in a form that we know how to simplify using first principles. It's simply a mathematical trick. We don't actually need to know how the end result looks like in order to be able to determine these terms, although it does help. Now, try doing it yourself. Add and then subtract this term to the expression in the blue box and see if you can get the expression in the pink box, which is of course equivalent to the expression in the green box. We now add and then subtract. Now collecting like terms and simplifying, we have proved the product rule. Now see if you can use the same trick of adding and subtracting a term to prove the quotient rule. You will need to use differentiation by first principles and then simplify in order to be able to identify the term that needs to be added and then subtracted. Pause now and try it yourself. Using differentiation by first principles and then simplifying the right-hand side by evaluating the subtraction in the numerator, we get this expression. From here, we must identify a term that must be added and then subtracted in order to simplify. This term is clearly f of x times g of x over the same denominator. Simplifying again, we get this expression. From here, we must collect like terms and simplify yet again. Now this is equivalent to the quotient rule when h diminishes. We have thus proved the quotient rule. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.